Hello dear students, welcome to the ninth class chapter of Geography Drainage. Here drainage means the river system of an area. And today our topic is what is the difference between Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. As you can see in the pictures, these are the Himalayan rivers, and in the Himalayan rivers there is always throughout the year full of water remains. That's why these are called perennial rivers because of the melting glaciers and rainfall. Now see students, types of rivers. There are three river system. First is Indus river system, second is Ganga river system, and third one is Brahmaputra river system. So one by one we will see. First is on the map of India, you can see first is Brahmaputra river. It rises from the Tibet, goes via Arunachal Pradesh and finally drains into the Bay of Bengal. Second one is Indus. It also originates from Tibet westward and enters in Ladakh and via Pakistan. Finally, it drains into the Bay of Bengal. Third one is Ganga system that it originates from Uttarakhand, Gangotri, and it goes into the Bay of Bengal. So these are the three river system of Himalayan rivers. Now students see peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers are those rivers which are seasonal. These rivers depend on the rain. When there is a water of rain, the water remains in these rivers, otherwise there is less water in these rivers. Here major rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, which flows into Bay of Bengal. Tapi and Narmada are the only rivers which flow into the Arabian Sea, and these rivers are comparatively small in size. Now you can see on the map of India also Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These rivers are peninsular rivers and these drain into Bay of Bengal. Only two rivers are there, Narmada and Tapti. These rivers drain into Arabian Sea. So these all are the peninsular rivers which depends on the rainwater. Now finally we can take out the examples and also take out the difference between Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. It means that they have water throughout the year, and peninsular rivers are large number of peninsular rivers are seasonal. The Himalayan rivers receive water from the rain as well as melting glaciers. The peninsular rivers depends on the amount of the rainfall. So in this way, we have come to know about the difference between Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Thank you.